Hey guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Innalhamdulillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu falah mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Amma ba'd. Okay, today I'm gonna make tutorial, but now I will show you. But the first, uh, I'm gonna show you router board uh, 941 and the version 941, and this is the router. And today I want to make tutorial about how to set up hotspot in Winbox. So I will make I'll make I'll be set up hotspot uh, this router by Winbox. So the first if the first time you have to in here there are there is like this, but I have added before, and then I just click here and then I just put on the password, and then just click and then click here connect. So we have connect and enter the Winbox. So I give you, when you want to close again, you can click here new Winbox, and then yeah, just out, and then if you want to enter again, just connect. Okay, for the first step, how to set up hotspot in this Winbox, we just go to the IP here and then find the hotspot. So this is the hotspot that I have made before. So before I tell you how to set up hotspot, I'm gonna tell you the function. So the function of hotspot is, so the server is, when you want to make hotspot, you can setting or configuration here, and then for the server profiles is for the DNS name. So when you authentication, you can look you can see your DNS name in here, and then for the user you can make many user like this. You can the name is maybe up to you, and then the password, and then for the user profiles you can make like this prioritas, the red limit you can make up to you, and then for the siswa the red limit maybe 5 Mbps or other that you want, and then you can put on here profile. So the user will be use that user profile, so that the function of this. Okay, now I'm gonna make the hotspot setup. So the first time you can click here is not click add here, but hotspot setup, and then you you can choose the interface that your cable in your router, but I have in my router in interface 2 or ether 2. Then click next, and then this is the local IP or local address of network. You can setting, but adjust next. This is the address pool of network or the IP pool. So what is the function? The function is for the IP range that the IP will be shared to the client. So the client that can use the IP example like this, the IP will be shared to the client, and then the client only can use the IP that example just IP 5 until 10. So the client just can be use the IP 5 until 10, maybe IP 5, IP 6, 7 until 10. So this is the IP pool, and then next, this is you just next, and then you can next again. Now this is the DNS server. You can use the DNS server Google. So DNS Google is 888 until 4, and then next. So this is the DNS name that I have tell you before in user DNS name. This is the up to you, maybe login.net. So it will be when the client want to log in the internet, they can click or search login.net in their browser, and then next. Okay, so setup has complete successfully. So you can see in the server, then you can see in here, and server profiles login.net that we have made before, and then the user you can make. So the client just when the client have been login, they can search the user like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and I'm sorry if I have there are mistakes. So as I said, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.